Clever cocktails are sometimes the most memorable part of a Halloween party. Here are some spooky, spirit-filled drinks. We're going to start with a cocktail that's both festive and deadly, the poisoned apple. For each drink, you'll need 2 ounces of apple cider, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, and 2 ounces of tequila. Fill your martini shaker with ice and add the juices and tequila. Give it a good shake and strain into a glass. You can add some drama with a few chips of dry ice, but be sure that the dry ice has disappeared before you take a sip. The Black Martini is a classic cocktail with a Halloween twist. For this one, you'll need orange sugar, a lime wedge, 2 ounces dark rum, a half an ounce dry vermouth, black berries, and black food coloring. Before you start mixing the cocktails, you'll want to rim each glass with a lime wedge and dip in the orange sugar. Fill your martini shaker with ice and add the rum and vermouth. Shake and strain into your glass. Gently stir in the food coloring until you achieve your desired level of darkness. Garnish with blackberries and enjoy. And finally, the blood of Dracula is a concoction that will conjure up the creepy conduct of the Count. You will need red wine ice cubes that you made ahead of time, Prosecco, raspberry preserves, and fresh raspberries. Put a dollop of raspberry preserves in the bottom of your glass, add 1 or 2 of the red wine ice cubes, and top with Prosecco. It's the garnish that will really haunt your friends. A few fresh raspberries impaled on a wooden stake and dipped in gooey preserves.